I just want to go to the observation tower.
So we can go. It'll still be like a little far, but like if we did this, that would be forever.
Yeah, let's not do all the way there. Let's stop at like the observation tower.
All right, gamers, we're here on Governor Dick's. That's it.
How's
That's
it
the intro.
What are you doing? Oh, you just noticed my shirt.
This is a circle around the. It's one of his balls.
Wait, there's a ball, and then you're in the middle. Are you Governor Dick?
He's a trout then. This is not what I signed up for. One got to win. I don't like how tight this is.
Did Anthony go up the other way?
He did, yeah.
Mamma mia. I'm gonna try and climb this with a camera.
Dude, I hate this. Oh my god, I hate this.
How am I gonna get down, dude?
I mean, don't go up then.
I'm going up.
Now, everyone compliment me. I'm doing this with a camera.
Is this a flattering angle, though?
Oh, yeah. I just know zooming on his balls.
I wish I had a fart limiter loaded up for you.
Is the oxygen getting thin?
After this, there's one more, and then I think you're over there.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
taking our good old time.
There's this one, and then one more. So you guys are almost there. Okay.
What the hell?
I don't know what that
The tower is coming
is. Anthony, what happened?
Okay, cool.
What is falling down?
There's a thunderstorm rolling in.
Oh.
Like not at the edge. I'm just gonna hold on to this. Just make sure it's not going anywhere. It's definitely not level. No.
I did all that with a camera.
Now I gotta go down with it.
Now I can't. Just watch the giant hole there. Don't fall down that way. Is the drone working?
I can connect to it, but it's not wanting to fly.
It's gonna find the nearest tree and collide with it.
Give the
Yes,
tree.
it is. It's a tree magnet.
It's a tree hugger.
Quick, we gotta look hard as fuck.
I don't know why. Kissing things is just funny to me. Don't get too close.
Dallas, I'll catch it. I'll catch it. Oh gosh.
Построили мир, благозвучная песня ветров нас венчала с тобой, и гремел канонир. Сквозь юный сон и сумрак ночи царит, где холодная мгла. Одна наяву ты смотрела мне в очи и прошептала слова. Одинокое солнце горит, что луну уже тысячи лет, но восходит она в темноте. Покуда рассеется свет, одинокое солнце горит, что луну уже тысячи лет, но восходит она в темноте, лишь покуда рассеется свет.
Abaddon is watching you. Dude, it's at 0%. What do you want to say for the 5 seconds?
Go to
Zoom in on his balls.
yourmomshousexxx.com.